Well, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your PlayStation 5 controller with the USB cable to the front of the PlayStation 5. So if you do have this turned on, and you can go to the accessories option right here on the quick menu, and you can see if your controller is charging. So I have it connected and my PlayStation is turned on. But maybe you want to go and charge it when your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode and it's not charging. Well, there's one setting that we want to go and just double check and make sure we have turned on. We want to scroll on down to System and scroll on down to Power Saving, then go to the right and go to Features Available in Rest Mode. And you might have this option turned off because sometimes it makes your PlayStation 5 a little bit louder. And this is supply power to USB ports. To change your controller, it says to charge your controller, plug them into the USB ports. If you select 3 hours, power will be supplied only for that long of time when it's in rest mode. So I have mine turned off. So if I put my PlayStation 5 into rest mode, my controller isn't going to charge. So I have to go to 3 hours specifically, or always. So most of the time it only takes 3 hours to charge your controller. So change it over in this section, press the PlayStation button, go on over to power and put it into rest mode. As you can see, it says charge controllers, download updates, suspend your games, don't unplug the AC power cord while in rest mode. So this will only cost you like $8 a year to keep in rest mode. If you have the newer PlayStation 5, probably like $5 or $6. So it's very cheap. So it'll allow you to charge your controllers with that setting on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.